Unlock the secret to a flawless mobile experience for your Kajabi pages and watch your engagement skyrocket. In this quick tutorial, we'll dive deep into editing your Kajabi pages exclusively for mobile, ensuring every visitor, no matter their device, has a seamless and stunning experience. First things first, log into your Kajabi account and navigate to the page you want to optimize. Once you're in the page editor, locate the view toggles at the top. You'll see options for desktop, tablet, and mobile. We're focusing on this little phone icon, a circumflex euros. Click it. See how your page looks on a smartphone screen. This is crucial because a large percentage of your audience will be viewing your content this way. If it's not optimized, they might bounce before they even see your amazing offer. Now, let's tackle common mobile editing tasks. Select any text block on the right-hand editing panel. You'll notice specific options for adjusting font sizes. Only for mobile, drag the slider or type in a new, smaller size to ensure readability without overwhelming the screen. Images are next. When an image appears squished or takes up too much vertical space, select it. In the mobile preview, you can adjust its width, alignment, and importantly, the spacing around it, known as padding. Aim for clean, uncluttered visuals that load quickly. Buttons are your call to action, so they need to be prominent on mobile. If your buttons are too small or too close together, select them. In the mobile view, you can easily increase their size, adjust their alignment, and ensure there's enough space between them for easy tapping. Don't forget about collapsible sections or elements that might be hidden in the mobile editor. You can control the visibility of specific sections or elements if something isn't appearing as you'd like. Check its mobile visibility settings to ensure it's displayed to your mobile visitors. Once you've made your adjustments, always hit that Save button. It's that simple. You've now gone beyond a basic responsive view and truly edited for mobile, giving your Kajabi visitors the best possible experience. By dedicating a few minutes to these mobile-specific edits, you're not just improving aesthetics, you're boosting user experience, increasing time on page, and ultimately driving more conversions. Go ahead and give your mobile visitors the VIP treatment they deserve.